Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn together. This is a part 3 of the same chapter, Heat, of class 7th. And before going further, I will tell you to watch the previous videos for your concept clarity. And those links are given in the description box. You should go there and watch the previous one before. So now we are going for the study laboratory thermometer. And what is laboratory thermometer? First, we will know about that. So, a laboratory thermometer has a long, narrow glass tube. It has a bulb at one end containing mercury. It is same like the clinical thermometer. Students, it has a scale marked in degrees Celsius. In the first one, the clinical thermometer, it was both the Fahrenheit degree Celsius and the degree Celsius also, and now it is only having the degree Celsius, and the range of the laboratory thermometer is generally from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. It is a very large difference because this is used in laboratory, and the first one was only from clinical thermometer was only from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. And now let's see how to read this thermometer. It is very important to know about the reading. So there are few steps. So the first step is we have to take some hot water in beaker if we want to measure the temperature of that water in the beaker. And second step is we have to hold the laboratory thermometer from its glass tube, and immerse means we have to put that bulb to the thermometer in hot water taken in the beaker. Means जो हमने बीकर में पानी लिया है उसके अंदर हमें उसके बल्ब को laboratory thermometers bulb we have to put in the that beaker, but we don't have to touch that beaker's base with that bulb. Or because I will tell you later why we don't have to touch the base of that beaker. We have to just keep it in the hot water which is in the beaker. And see, there is a notice that the bulb of the thermometer should not touch the sides or the bottom of the beaker. And the third one is we have to observe the shining thread of mercury, that silver lining. Like when it will be moving up, we have to check that, and after some time the mercury will stop rising up. Then that is the point you have to take the accurate reading from that. Okay, and now we can see that the mercury thread has stopped. Then it will give us the temperature of that hot water in the beaker. Till now this is clear, and after that we have taken this reading. So there should be some precautions to be taken care before this reading. So what are they? Let's see. So this is the clinical thermometers, another type which is called laboratory thermometer, which ranges from -10 to 110 degrees Celsius, and its precautions are like we have to see while measuring temperature, the laboratory thermometer should be held vertically. Last time I told you that the clinical thermometer should be held vertically. We can hold it vertically because there was a presence of kink over that was not letting the mercury drop down. And in this there is no kink. So let's see, the thermometer bulb should be surrounded from all the sides by the substance whose temperature is to be measured. मतलब जिसका भी हम मेजर कर रहे हैं टेम्परेचर, उसको जो ये मरकरी है जिसमें बल्ब के अंदर जो मरकरी है, सो वी हैव टू सराउंड ऑल द बल्ब around that substance. Okay, and the thermometer reading should be taken while its bulb is still in touch with the substance whose temperature is being measured, and by keeping the mercury level along the line of sight. तो इसमें बोला गया है कि मतलब जैसे हमें ये रीडिंग तभी लेनी है जब ये सब्सटेंस में पहले से प्रेजेंट हो इसका बल्ब. In the clinical thermometer we saw that after putting in the mouth, when we start reading that clinical thermometer, we take out from the mouth, then put it vertically or horizontally, then we put on the line of sight, means अपनी आंखों के पास रख के हम उसे देखते थे. लेकिन in this thing we have to put this clinical thermometers like this, and in laboratory thermal we have to put that thing in the substance only, and then we have to see in that only. So we have to change according to the thermometer, not we have to take thermometer for our preferences. There are few more points. The thermometer should not be held by the bulb. In the clinical thermometer also we saw that we were holding the bulb, it will be not giving the accurate temperature. The same case will be applied over here also. The thermometer should be carefully handled or it can be break down, okay, because it is also made by glass. And we should note down the temperature reading by keeping the thermometer bulb immersed in hot water, because if the thermometer bulb is taken out of the hot water, then its mercury thread will start falling, and this will give a wrong reading for the temperature of hot water. Here it is written the mercury thread will start falling. It is because of that kink not present in the laboratory thermometer. Okay, so it was about all about the laboratory thermometer, about its how to take the reading, about the precautions, and there are few questions related to the previous video you have to watch and now also, because if you don't watch the previous video you will not be the getting the clarity about that, because these questions are very high level questions. So you have to comment this questions answer in the comment box and tell me what you have learned about that. So the first question is, what would happen if we use clinical thermometer in another objects like tea, coffee, ice cream? And the second question is, what are the different methods or devices you have seen to measure temperature in your family, in your neighbor, or you can ask your parents or neighbors, okay, about this. And the third question is, what would happen if we use laboratory thermometer to measure the human body temperature? Isn't it that first of all the laboratory thermometer is very large in size and there is no kink present in over here? Then you have to think about that. How should we measure from that thing for the humans? Okay. Now I'm taking leave over here. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe and follow me and comment how you like this video. Thank you.